Hi, this is the COVID-19 level 4 lockdown update for property practitioners, for estate agents, and for tenants and landlords alike. I promised to keep you updated, and as you know, last week we were informed that people were able to move from the 7th of May until the 7th of June, and not much thought was given to the whole process, and suddenly we were found in a situation where, well, yes, my tenant can move, but how do I do the outgoing inspection? In which case, how do I sort his deposit out? Well, TPN have done the homework for us, and what I've done is I've checked up I've checked with our attorneys the information they've given us, and it seems okay. So what I'd like to confirm here, to the best of our knowledge, is that estate agents will be allowed to go and perform incoming and outgoing inspections and to hand over keys whenever movements are required. And the way to do that is as follows, and I'm going to read here just to make sure I get the wording right. So if you excuse me not looking straight at you. TPN received confirmation from Shane Brown, who's the head of disaster management in Port Elizabeth, that estate agents can register as essential services for limited back to work functions. So in other words, what has to happen is the estate agency has to register for essential service. And I'm going to put a link down below here for the link for you as the principal of the agency to go and register. I did this half an hour ago. I registered my company. I own an estate agency. I registered us as a service, as an essential service provider, and then apparently I'll get my certificate within 24 hours. And then thereafter, what I do is I fill in this form, which I'll give you a link to this form as well. And this form is a permit to perform essential services or permitted service. Now, and then I, as the official in my company, will be doing filling this form in and giving it to my agents so that they can go and do the essential service, which is locking and unlocking premises and doing inspections. And again, I want to read from this document. So the permission that we've got here, it's not general permission for agents to go ahead and use this form to start showing properties and doing show days and so on. That's not at all. It's only as follows. So in terms of the directions published on the 6th of May 2020, which specifically provide for a permit to relocate in limited circumstances. Okay, so remember, this is my last video. There's a permit required to allow you to relocate if your lease has been signed or you've sold a property. It says estate agents would be required to facilitate the handover of keys as well as incoming and outgoing inspections. So you're going to get, as an agent, you'll use a permit like this, which your principal will sign for you, and that permit allows you to do inspections only. So in other words, it's when you're doing it in support of other, I use the right terminology here. It says other professional services, that's estate agents, may operate only where work from home is not possible, which it won't be, and only to support other alert level 4 services. So an alert level 4 service, one of those services is this temporary moving that is allowed. So therefore, using this form, which says permit to perform an essential or permitted service, you'll be able to move freely enough to go and do those inspections. And once you've done the inspection, that means that as the agent, you can work out exactly how much damage, or the owner can work out exactly how much damage was or wasn't caused by the tenant, and reconcile his final account and pay back his deposit. I know we have lots of tenants who are sitting there saying, I can't get my deposit, I want my deposit, but we haven't been able to. So now we've got relief. So from tomorrow, once I've got my certification in process, my agents will be able to go out there and do inspections. So good news for all of us, and little bit by little bit we're getting there. So thanks for watching, and you'll see here somewhere here I'll leave a link to the video that I shot, where I spoke specifically about the moving, and up there's another one relating to the effect of COVID on COVID-4 level 4. All right, so that's all for now. This is a quick update. and I'll see you next video.